This is a 2012 Chevrolet Sonic. Features include a navigation system, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, a passenger side vanity mirror, latch-ready child seat anchors, air conditioning, cruise control, steering wheel mounted controls, a keyless entry system, and this vehicle has less than 33,000 miles. With an EPA estimated rating of 35 miles per gallon on the highway, its fuel efficiency will save you time and money. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.
Thank you for considering Chuck Fairbanks Chevrolet for your next new or pre-owned vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our webpage, give us a call, or stop by our dealership located on Interstate 35 and Pleasant Run Road in DeSoto.